Okay, so remember when people were always busy claiming that the bus terminal project, especially the one at Holy Ghost, was just some, sneaky way of grabbing land by Governor Peter Mbah? Do you all remember that story? It's actually trended so well last year. Well, guess what? The joke is on them because this project is turning out to be a total game changer. Today, I've got something super exciting to share. So remember, always stay tuned to the Boy People TV channel and just enjoy this view because this is the latest update on the Holy Ghost Bus Terminal 2025. Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Boy People TV. It's your favorite girl, Faith Kalu, your ghost host with the most updates from around the southeast. Okay, as we all can see, the Holy Ghost Bus Terminal is coming out so alive. And let me tell you, it's nothing like what we are used to seeing here in the southeast, even in Nigeria as a whole. The project is giving ultra modern vibes all the way. First off, let's talk about the pedestrian bridge. This is an absolute beauty. A whole pedestrian bridge connecting Terminal 1 to Terminal 2. No more stressing about crossing busy roads. Just take the bridge and stroll in peace and wait for it. The bridge is as long as the distance from Holy Ghost roundabout to Oguyi Road by GTB or P&T. Yes, it's that long. Seeing this particular pedestrian bridge gives me joy all the way. Now, I've got to warn you all. If you haven't been to Enugu in recent time, be very careful. Holy Ghost is looking so unrecognizable that you might just get lost. The transformation right now is so wild. Speaking of transformations, let's talk about this Terminal 2 at Holy Ghost. You all, it's so sleek, it's so modern, and it's better than some state airport terminals that you would see. I said what I said. You got to give it to Governor Peter Mbah. This man has taste. Walai. Enugu is alive, vibrant, and shining under his leadership. Big ups to you, Governor Peter Mbah. From what I saw earlier, this project is about 90% completed. It's safe to say that, right? Just a little more polishing and you'll be good to go. The pace of work there is so fast. It's like they are working with the speed of light. Honestly, you can't help but be so impressed with how fast they are moving. And they've cleared out the roadside hawkers. No more chaos. I mean, if you're so used to Holy Ghost in Enugu State, you know what I'm talking about. There's nothing like roadside hawkers because they've cleared them all out. Plus, the roads around the terminal are under construction as we speak. So everything is shaping up to be organized and efficient. Let me tell you, the pictures and videos that you're seeing, they're not doing justice to what I saw with my own eyes. This place is a masterpiece in the making. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Holy Ghost Ultra Modern Bus Terminal, Enugu State. Congratulations to Ndi Enugu. This is a win-win for all of us. If you're not in Enugu right now, start planning your trip because this terminal is about to be the talk of the town 2025. Alright, that's it for today, my people. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Boy People TV for more updates just like this one.